Assalamualaikum and good day to our lecturer Dr. Rahima. We are from Group 12 and today we will be presenting our Global Logistic Performance Dashboard. The dataset is used from Kaggle. And hi, this is our Global Logistics Performance Dashboard for analyzing shipment, revenue, salesperson performance and disruption insights across global ports. So as you can see here, we use the KPI card which show total shipments and total disruptions. Total shipments show 5K shipments, while total disruptions show 3K cases. And next we have the bar chart. We use for revenue by salesperson. This bar chart compares revenue by salesperson, and Gordon recorded the highest revenue. Next we have column chart. This column chart shows average lead time. By transport mode, air is the fastest while sea takes the longest time. Next we have the pie chart. This pie chart shows shipment status between disrupted and on-time shipments. And next we have the map. This map chart shows shipment distribution across global ports and transport modes. And next we have we have the slicer. These slicers allow user to filter data by destination port, transport mode, and salesperson. So for example, if you want to filter by salesperson, for example Alvin, then the whole data will show only Alvin info. And then if you want to filter data by destination port, for example Busan, then the whole info will show only Busan info, and will show the total shipments for Busan. This dashboard will help monitor shipment performance and logistic operation more effectively for the management by using the Power BI dashboard. That's all from us. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Natasha, so I will continue to explain about this slide, which is key KPIs. On this slide, we are looking at the key performance indicators or KPIs for shipment performance. First is the total shipments, which is 5,000. This shows the total number of shipments handled. It indicates the overall logistic activity and helps us measure the business volume and performance of the company. Next is the total disruptions, which is 3,000. This represents the number of shipments that experience delays or problems. It reflects operational issues, and a high value may indicate performance weaknesses in the logistic process. From the comparison, we can see that the number of disruptions is quite high compared to the total shipments. This shows that there is a need for improvement in operations to reduce disruptions. Overall, these KPIs are important because they help management make better decisions to improve efficiency and delivery performance. So for this slide, I will explain about shipment distribution, which is map. So on this slide, we can see the shipment distribution shown on the map. This map shows where shipments are being delivered around the world, allowing us to clearly see how goods are distributed across different countries and regions. Most shipments are concentrated in major regions such as Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. These areas act as key hubs for global trade and shipping activities. We can also observe that some ports are busier than others because they handle a higher volume of shipments compared to other locations. These major ports become important connection points in global shipping routes. By analyzing this map, companies can identify the most frequently used and important shipping routes. So overall, this information is very useful for improving logistic planning, reducing delays, and making the delivery process more efficient.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afadana binti Muhammad Kamal, and I will presenting about pie chart visual for this dashboard design. This pie chart shows the shipment status distribution in the logistic operation. The chart compares on-time shipments and disrupted shipments based on the shipment ID count. And from the visual, we can clearly see that on-time shipments represent the larger percentage compared to disrupted shipments. And this visual helps management monitor delivery performance and identify the level of operational disruptions in supply chain. And it also supports performance evaluation and service improvement planning. So we moving on to the next slide, which is I will explain about the slicer visual that we use in the dashboard. So this slicer visual allows user to filter and interact with the dashboard data more effectively. In this dashboard, the slices are based on the destination port, destination port, transport mode, and salespersons. Users can select specific categories to focus on certain shipment information and analyze the data in more detail. For example, users can filter only air transport shipments or view performance for a specific salesperson. This feature improves dashboard flexibility and helps user make faster and more accurate decisions. And next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aifa. Now we move on to the next slide, which is bar chart and column chart. This slide shows the bar chart and column chart visual used in the dashboard. The visuals analyze estimate revenue by salesperson and average lead time by transport mode. This chart helps users compare logistics performance more clearly and support better business decision making.
So I will continue by explaining this slide, which is recommendations. Based on the findings, several recommendations can be made. First, improve delivery planning to reduce shipment disruptions. Second one is use faster transport modes such as air freight when necessary for urgent deliveries. The third one is learn from top performing salespeople to improve overall team performance. Finally, closely monitor high risk shipping routes to prevent delays and operational issues. So, for this slide, we will look into key findings. So, for the first one is sales performance. From the sales performance analysis, we can see that one salesperson generates the highest revenue compared to others. This shows that individual performance varies among the sales team. It also indicates that some salespeople are more effective in closing deals and generating income than others. So, the second key findings is delivery efficiency. For delivery efficiency, we observe the differences based on transportation mode. Sea transport is the slowest method due to longer travel time and handling processes. In contrast, air transport is the fastest option, making it suitable for urgent or high priority shipments. For the, for the third key findings is service performance. Looking at service performance, most shipments are delivered on time. However, there are still some shipments that experience disruptions, such as delays or issues during transit. This shows that although our performance is generally good, there is still a need for improvement in operations to reduce disruptions. So, for the last key findings is geography. In terms of geography, shipments are spread globally across different regions. However, some ports handle a higher number of shipments compared to others. These ports act as important logistic hubs in the global supply chain. So that's all from us. Thank you.